Have you ever been stuck on the next piece of content you wanted to create for your website or the next course to create for your customers? I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to determine what piece of content or course you should be creating next. So I'm on this website here, and there's this search functionality right here, similar to what you would see inside of a blog on the sidebar, the search functionality. So this is a native WordPress search functionality. So most don't know this or don't have this activated, but we can actually see inside of Google Analytics what your website visitors are searching for on your website, and we can use that data to create the next piece of content to drive traffic to your website, the next course to sell to your customers, without just guessing, but actually looking at some data. So I'm going to bring over the analytics for this website. And on the left-hand side, if you click on Behavior, Site Search, Overview, all this data right here is being pulled in from that search bar. So this is exactly what people are searching for on your website. This is just right now today, but you can of course filter it for an extended period of time. So let's just take last month, January. So now it's showing all of the results for January. So if you click View Full Report down here on the right-hand side, and then we're going to show, so it says over 7,000 unique searches. Let's just go ahead and show, the top 1,000. So here we go. Here's the top 1,000 searches done on the website. So we can look at this data, analyze this data to create some content around maybe the most searched term, which is life coach. So we should create some additional content to drive traffic to the website for a life coach. And we can also look at this to see if we don't have a course available for any of these highly searched terms, and we should probably create a course around that term because that's what our website visitors are searching for. So to enable this functionality, it's really simple. I'm going to pull over another analytics account, and all you'll want to do is from the dashboard, go ahead and click on Admin down on the left-hand side here. We're going to come over to View Settings underneath the right-hand column here. And if we scroll down to the bottom, there's this Site Search Tracking, which is optional, but we of course now want to turn it on. And if you're using the native WordPress search functionality, all you have to do is type in the letter S here, go ahead and check off Strip Query Parameters out of URL, and go ahead and click Save, and you're all set. So now if you have the WordPress search bar somewhere on your website, every single time somebody goes ahead and searches for a specific topic, term, whatever they type into that search bar, it will now show up inside of your search terms on Google Analytics. So this is some great data to use to create the next piece of content to drive traffic to your site and to ultimately generate some sales. And if you're stuck on creating your next course, your next product, whatever it is, you can utilize this data to create those courses, those products, that content that your website visitors are searching for. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.